Grade 9 Social Science History Chapter 1. Our chapter is French Revolution. Our chapter is French Revolution. Now see, what is the meaning of revolution? Revolution means action taken by a large group of people. Action taken by a large group of people to change the government. To change the government, especially by violent events. To change the government, especially by violent events. So that is the revolution. Now sometimes it happens that the king is not proper and some things happen that people don't like the king and they want to change the government. Suppose monarch is there, dictatorship is there, then they want to change the government, so they are doing the revolution. So revolution means action taken by a large group of people to change the government. Now see, in French Revolution. In French Revolution, what happens on the morning of 14 July 1789 in the city of Paris. We have to see what happened on this day in the morning. Now see, in your textbook also the lesson is given like that, and this lesson is like that we are seeing the Bollywood movies like that in the flashback. Sometimes we have seen in the movie the hero is fighting, and from that fighting the full story they will start. The hero is narrating the full story and the story is coming while the hero is fighting. So the full story is coming in flashback. So like that, I think so you have seen the movie Chennai Express, in that it is like that. So like that it is, the story is like that in the flashback. Now we have to see what happened on this day. On this day what happened that in Paris one morning the king ordered the army, the soldiers to move to the city of Paris. The king ordered the army, soldiers to move to the city of Paris. Suddenly, seeing the army in the city, the people were worried. Suddenly, seeing the army in the city, the people in the Paris were worried that what happened, why suddenly army came. And the rumor spread. What the rumor spread, that the king would order the army to do the open fire upon the citizen. This type of rumor spread. This type of rumor spread among the people that king would order the army to do the open fire upon the citizen. So now many people, along all the male, female, women together, 7,000 people gathered in front of the town hall. 7,000 people gathered in front of the town hall, and they prepared their own army. They prepared their own people's army. After that what happened? Now they were worried that something wrong was going to happen with them. So, and they were not having any weapons. So they broke into government buildings. They broke into government buildings. Why they broke into government buildings? To get the weapons, to get the ammunition. To get the weapon, to get the ammunition, they broke into the government buildings. After that, the march towards Bastille Fort. See, one fort was there, Bastille Fort was there. So several hundred people marched towards the Bastille Fort. Why they marched towards the Bastille Fort? Because they thought that it was big fort and they would get the ammunition from there. So they marched toward the Bastille Fort and they fought with the commander. They fought with the commander and they killed the commander also. They fought with the commander and they killed the commander also. After killing the commander, they released the prisoners from the fort. Some prisoners were there in the fort. So people released the prisoners from the jail. Only 7 prisoners were there. Only 7 prisoners were there. Doing such type of things, after that also, people demolished the fort also. Now, the fort was considered as a power, showing the power of the monarch, showing the power of the king. At that time in the France, Louis XVI was the king, and the fort was showing the power of the king. And as such, the fort was hated by all the people. The Bastille Fort was hated by all the people. So they demolished the fort also. Now what they did, means see, sometimes what happens that some person is staying nearby your house. एक मैं सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपको बताती हूँ. आपके घर के पास में कोई पर्सन रहता है, यू आर प्लेइंग, आप सभी जन खेल रहे होते हैं, उसके पास बहुत भारी मर्सिडीज और फॉरेन की कार्स है. आप खेलते हो तो आपको बहुत डिस्टर्ब करता है, खेलने नहीं देता है. सपोज आपका बॉल चला गया तो नहीं देता, तो आपको उसके ऊपर बहुत गुस्सा आता है और आप उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते. तो आप ऐसा सोचते हो कि चलो एटलीस्ट वी कैन डैमेज द कार, उसकी कार को थोड़ा डैमेज कर दे. So like that people were thinking, because that Bastille Fort was showing the power of monarch, power of the king. So they are feeling some satisfaction after demolishing the fort. And they demolished the fort, and the bricks of the fort were sold in the market. The bricks of the fort were sold in the market. What do you think? The people were taking the bricks at home and they are making their own houses? No, but they are keeping as a memory. They are keeping as a souvenir, something the sentimental thing that we have done something like this, and they are keeping as a memory. The bricks of the forts were also sold in the market. So after that, all the most people were protesting against the high price of bread. Now the rioting events and things were going on. Situation was worse in Paris and countryside, and many people were protesting against the high price of bread. See, at that time the price of bread also increased. So now bread was the basic necessity. All the people want to eat the bread, and the price rise, so people were protesting against the high price of bread also. And like that, the chain of events took place. And at last, what happened? Because of the chain of events, what happens? Chain of event ultimately led to the execution of the king. Chain of event ultimately led to the execution of the king. Execution means in simple language we can say that mrutyudand. In simple language we can say mrutyudand. So led to the execution of the king. See, now this French Revolution is considered as a very important in the human history. After long time, the historian was saying that this event was considered as the main event for the outburst of the revolution in France. What happened during this, after this on 1789 morning, and these things happened, this event is considered as the main event for the outburst of the revolution in France and the French Revolution, and what type of society was prevailing in France, and who was the king, what things happened further, all things we will see in our next video lecture. So thank you.